Do you want to grow your small business and increase your income? Just imagine the possibilities that could unfold as your business scales up. It all begins with nurturing a growth mindset, a belief that your business can evolve and prosper. Picture the thrill of seeing your income soar as your business flourishes. The potential benefits are enormous, from financial freedom to personal satisfaction. If you're hungry for success and ready to take your business to the next level, stay tuned. To grow your business, you first need to understand it thoroughly. Now, what does that mean? It means diving deep into your business model. Are you providing a service, selling a product, or maybe both? Understanding the structure of your business is pivotal. Next, let's talk about your customer base. Who are they? What do they need? What problems are you solving for them? The more you know about your customers, the better you can cater to their needs. And let's not forget about your market. Is it growing, stagnating, or declining? Knowing where your market stands will help you strategize and adapt accordingly. Now, a key tool in understanding your business is a SWOT analysis. This will help you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's like a health check for your business, pinpointing areas that need improvement. Remember, understanding your business is the foundation for growth. So take the time to understand yours, inside and out. Inside. Once you understand your business, it's time to plan strategically. Picture strategic planning as the compass of your business, guiding you towards your destination, growth. It's not just about having a vision, but also setting clear, achievable goals to turn this vision into a reality. Imagine this process as crafting a roadmap. You wouldn't venture on a long journey without one, would you? Your business is no different. This roadmap, your strategy, will chart the course from where you are now to where you want to be. Remember, though, a good plan isn't rigid. It's flexible, adapting to the ever-changing landscapes of the business world. It's about being prepared to pivot, to alter your course when necessary without losing sight of your destination. So embrace strategic planning. It's not just about surviving, but thriving, outsmarting the competition, and steering your business towards prosperity. A well-thought-out strategy is your roadmap to success. After planning comes the most crucial step: implementation. To breathe life into your strategic plan, you must focus on three vital elements: consistent efforts, team cooperation, and customer satisfaction. The path to success is rarely a straight line, but a series of ups and downs that require resilience and tenacity. Consistent efforts mean showing up each day, rolling up your sleeves, and putting in the work. It's about pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Team cooperation is equally vital. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day or by a single person. It's the collective efforts of your team that will turn your vision into a reality. Customer satisfaction should always be at the forefront of your actions. After all, a happy customer is a returning customer. As you implement, remember to monitor your progress. Keep an eye on your goals, measure your achievements, and make necessary adjustments. Implement your plan, monitor progress, and be ready to adapt. That's the key to growth. Growing a small business is no small feat, but with understanding, planning, and action, success is within reach. We've covered plenty in this video, from knowing your business, crafting a strategic plan, to implementing and monitoring your progress. Remember, these steps are not just theories, they're practical tools that can help you transform your small business into a thriving enterprise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips to grow your business. Together we can make your business dreams come true.